The highly anticipated Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro have finally arrived, and they are packed with cutting-edge features and innovative technology. Engineered by Google and built with AI at the center, these smartphones offer a more helpful and personal experience. With first-of-their-kind features and the powerful Google Tensor G3, the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are designed to impress. In this video, we will take a closer look at these new phones, from their elegant design and upgraded cameras to the features that make them stand out in the market. A polished design for everyday use. The Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro boast an elegant design with softer silhouettes, beautiful metal finishes, and sustainable materials. The Pixel 8, featuring contoured edges and a smaller size than its predecessor, feels great in your hand. Its 6.2-inch Actua display offers real-world clarity and is 42% brighter than the Pixel 7's display. With satin metal finishes, a polished glass back, and color options like rose, hazel, and obsidian, the Pixel 8 is designed to turn heads. On the other hand, the Pixel 8 Pro features a larger 6.7-inch Super Actua display, which is the brightest display yet. Even in direct sunlight, your Ultra HDR images will look true to life. The Pixel 8 Pro comes with a matte glass back, a polished aluminum frame, and 3 color options: porcelain, bay, and obsidian. Additionally, the Pixel 8 Pro introduces a new temperature sensor on the back, allowing you to quickly scan objects and even take your temperature. Camera improvements for stunning photos and videos. One of the standout features of the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro is their upgraded camera systems. Starting with the main camera, both phones capture better photos and videos in low-light settings. The Pixel 8 Pro goes a step further with a bigger ultra-wide lens that delivers even better macro focus. The telephoto lens captures 56% more light and takes 10x photos at optical quality. The front-facing camera on both phones now features autofocus, ensuring the best selfies on a Pixel phone. The camera app has also received a redesign, with an intuitive interface that allows you to quickly find and capture content in your favorite photo and video modes. The Pixel 8 Pro takes it a step further with Pro Controls, giving you more creative control over the Pixel camera. Adjust settings like shutter speed, ISO, and take 50MP photos throughout the zoom range. We've all experienced the frustration of capturing a group photo where someone isn't looking at the camera. Best Take 1 solves this problem by using an on-device algorithm to create a blended image from a series of photos, ensuring everyone looks their best. Additionally, Google Photos introduces the Magic Editor, an experimental editing experience that uses generative AI to enhance your photos. From repositioning and resizing subjects to making the background pop, you can achieve the perfect look with just a few taps. Enhanced audio and video capabilities. The Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro also offer impressive audio and video capabilities. The Audio Magic Eraser 1 feature allows you to easily reduce distracting sounds in your videos, such as howling winds or noisy crowds. Using advanced machine learning models, this computational audio capability sorts sounds into distinct layers, giving you control over their levels. Later this year, the Pixel 8 Pro will receive Video Boost, a feature that leverages the power of Google Tensor G3 and data centers to apply cutting-edge processing to your videos. Video Boost adjusts color, lighting, stabilization, and graininess, resulting in stunning videos that look true to life. Night Sight Video, another feature enabled by Video Boost, enhances the low-light smartphone video quality. Features to save time and boost productivity. The Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro come with features that aim to save you time and help you get things done more efficiently. With the Summarize feature, your Pixel can generate a summary of a web page, allowing you to quickly understand the key points without reading the entire article. Additionally, your Pixel can read aloud and translate web pages, making it convenient to listen to articles on the go. The improved AI in the Pixel phones enables more natural interactions with your device. You can now talk to your Pixel more naturally, and it will better understand the nuances of human speech. Whether you speak multiple languages or use pauses and filler words, your Pixel will wait until you're done speaking before responding. You can even use your voice to quickly type, edit, and send messages. 7 years of software updates for enhanced security. Google Tensor G3 works hand in hand with the Titan M2 security chip to protect your personal information and make your Pixel phone more resilient to sophisticated attacks. Face Unlock on the Pixel 8 meets the highest Android biometric class, allowing you to access compatible banking and payment apps securely. One of the standout features of the Pixel phones is the long-term software support they receive. For the first time, Google is providing 7 years of software updates for the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. This includes regular Android OS upgrades, security updates, and feature drops, ensuring your phone stays up to date and secure for years to come. Pre-order and availability. Pre-orders for the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are now open, with prices starting at $699 for the Pixel 8 and $999 for the Pixel 8 Pro. If you pre-order the Pixel 8 Pro, you'll also receive a Pixel Watch 2 for free. Google Fi Wireless offers pre-order deals for the new Pixel phones, and their phone plans include full connectivity for the Pixel Watch 2 at no extra cost. Both devices, along with cases from Google and their partners, will be available at the Google Store and retail partners starting from October 12th. In conclusion, the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are impressive smartphones that offer a range of innovative features. From their elegant design and upgraded cameras to the enhanced audio and video capabilities, these phones are designed to provide a more helpful and personal experience. With 7 years of software updates and enhanced security features, the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro ensure that you'll have a phone that stays up to date and protects your personal information. Pre-order your Pixel phone today and experience the future of smartphone technology. Click here to watch the best fitness tracker you can gift on this Christmas. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our future videos.